Have you ever looked at someone who built massive wealth and thought, how did they do it? Most people assume millionaires are born into money or got lucky, but in reality, many started with simple side hustles that eventually exploded into serious wealth. And here's the thing, opportunities are everywhere. The difference between those who stay stuck financially and those who build wealth often comes down to recognizing the right opportunity and acting on it. So today, we're diving into 12 side hustles that are turning everyday people into millionaires. Some of these are fast-growing trends, while others are time-tested wealth builders. And the best part, you don't need a fortune to start, you just need strategy and execution. Make sure you stick around because the last one is a game changer that most people overlook, but it's quietly making millionaires behind the scenes. 1. High-ticket digital products. Have you ever thought about selling knowledge instead of just time? This is one of the best side hustles for people who have expertise in something valuable, whether it's finance, fitness, marketing, or even a niche hobby like woodworking or photography. You create and sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, or paid webinars. The key is solving a specific problem people are willing to pay for. If you're good at teaching, coaching, or breaking down complex topics, this could be a great fit. And the best part? Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again with almost no extra effort. Now, this does take time to get off the ground. You need to build an audience or find a way to market your product. Just creating something and hoping people buy it, that's not going to cut it. But with the right strategy, this can become a highly profitable income stream that keeps making money long after the work is done. 2. Automated e-commerce stores. Ever wondered how some people are making money while they sleep? E-commerce isn't new, but automation tools have changed the game. You don't need a massive warehouse or tons of inventory to run a store anymore. With dropshipping and print on demand, you can build a business that practically runs itself. This is perfect if you have an eye for trends and are comfortable with digital marketing. The startup costs are relatively low, and you can test different products before fully committing. But here's the challenge. Competition is fierce. You have to find the right niche, set yourself apart, and stay on top of trends. Plus, marketing can get expensive if you're relying on paid ads. But if you get it right, the payoff can be huge. 3. YouTube cash cow channels. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, how much money are they making? You don't even have to be on camera to make money on YouTube. Some of the most successful channels use voiceovers, stock footage, and AI tools to create content. It's a great side hustle if you enjoy storytelling, researching, or breaking down complex topics into engaging videos. And once your videos start gaining traction, they can continue earning money for years through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Now, let's be real. Building a successful channel takes time. You have to stay consistent and put out content regularly. But once your videos start performing well, this can turn into a passive income machine. If you want to stay ahead of the wealth game, hit that subscribe button now. 4. Airbnb arbitrage. Can you imagine making money from real estate without actually owning property? That's what Airbnb arbitrage is all about. Instead of buying real estate, you rent properties long-term, furnish them, and then list them on Airbnb at a higher nightly rate. If done right, you can turn a few rentals into a six-figure income. This works best in high-demand areas and for people who are good at finding great deals and negotiating with landlords. But, like any business, it comes with risks. Some cities have strict Airbnb regulations, and if demand drops, you're still on the hook for rent. But for those who master it, this can be an incredibly profitable and scalable side hustle. Which of these side hustles interests you the most? Drop a comment below. 5. Content repurposing services. Ever noticed how influencers and businesses seem to be everywhere online? That's because they don't do it all themselves. They hire people to repurpose their content, turning long videos into short clips, converting blog posts into Instagram carousels, and breaking down podcasts into Twitter threads. If you're creative and know your way around social media, this is an easy side hustle to start. You don't need money, just skills and time. The challenge? Finding clients. But once you build a portfolio and start getting referrals, this can turn into a highly profitable service business. And if you want to build true financial freedom, don't miss the next video. 12 skills that are making people rich. This next video will break down the exact skills that separate struggling entrepreneurs from self-made millionaires. If you're serious about growing your income, this is the knowledge you can't afford to skip. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And click on the next video now, because knowing the right skills is the difference between staying stuck and breaking through to real wealth.